Now number 3 wants us to solve this trig equation. And there's different ways to solve it. One of them is very common, is factoring. And so I have a square cosine and a degree 1 cosine and a constant. So I'm thinking I'm going to make this look like a quadratic pattern. So if I start on this side, I would have 3 cosine squared theta minus cosine squared theta. So I get 2 cosine squared theta plus 3 cosine theta minus 1 and set that equal to 0. And then factor that like a is equal to cosine theta, right? So you get 2a squared plus 3a minus 1. So that would be 2a minus 1, a plus 1. Nope, both. Let's see, wait. Doing it. That would be 2a squared plus 2a. How do I get a 3a? Let's see. Plus 1, because I can't read. This would be, this was on this side, so it would be plus 1. So 2a plus 1, a plus 1. So we would write that 2 cosine theta plus 1 and cosine theta plus 1 equals 0. And so remember, then we cut that in half. So we say cosine theta would be negative 1/2. And where on the unit circle, by the way, this was given to you to be between 0, less than or equal to 0, and less than 2 pi. So cosine theta is negative 1/2 in quadrants 2 and 3. And it would be your pi over 3, so reference angle. So that would be 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3, right? And then cosine theta equals negative 1 at pi. So theta equals pi. So our answer here would be 2 pi over 3, pi, and 4 pi over 3. So there's how you do it, by factoring.